Hi, Professor Lu. Hi, Mr. B. Hi, Mr. Zhang. It's great to be together today to have a talk about the LPCVC. My name is Zhong. I'm a project manager at Qualcomm. I'm very lucky to be part of the organization to sponsor this year's LPCVC. Do you guys want to introduce yourself to the audience?
I'm Ning, VP of Engineering from Qualcomm. I'm running the multimedia R&D so that it's our responsibility and honor to be in collaboration with Professor Lu, this time in LPCVC 2025.
I'm Yung-Hsiang Lu. I'm a professor at Purdue University. I've been one of the organizers of the IEEE Low Power Computer Vision Challenge since 2015. It's a great experience working with Qualcomm, an industrial leader in this technology.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Shuai Zhang. I'm a senior staff and a manager of Qualcomm. I'm also the organizer of the LPCVC this year, and also the organizer of the Efficient Designing for Computer Vision workshop. Nice to meet you guys and have a collaboration.
Okay, the first question is for Professor Lu. Everyone wants to know, what is LPCVC?
LPCVC means Low Power Computer Vision Challenge. We started 13 years ago when I attended an IEEE conference. At that time, computer vision and in particular deep learning became popular. And we believe deep learning eventually will be deployed on mobile devices such as our phone. So I started a challenge to understand the state of the art of the technology as well as limitations. We started the first competition in year 2015. This is the 10th year anniversary of the competition. I want to thank IEEE for sponsoring the competition over 10 years. And this year, the sponsor is Qualcomm. We are very grateful for their support.
The second question is for Ning. Why did Qualcomm choose to sponsor LPCVC this year?
Yeah, good question. We actually first time to know Professor Lu in 2018, I think. At the time, Qualcomm joined the LPCVC as a competitor or to submit our solutions there, right? And win the first prize, I think, in 2018 and the third prize 2019. So at the time, Professor Lu actually asked a question, should Qualcomm be a sponsor one day? So we thought about it, and now here we are. We are trying to provide the support to the academia and to the whole community of the industry to support such kind of solutions, computer vision solutions in low power devices. Low power device actually is a focus of Qualcomm's business over the years, right? We are doing smartphones, AI PC, IoT devices, and also in XR devices and automotive chipset. So there are a lot of solutions without power, connected on the wall, so that we need to be power efficient. In this perspective, LPCVC's goal is matching Qualcomm's production goal perfectly. So that's why we are here, right, this year to sponsor this event. We are glad, to do so.
Yeah, thank you, Ning. The next question is for both Professor Lu and Shuai. The question is, who were the participants of this year's competition?
The participants, we come from both industry and academia. Actually, I should say include industry, academia, and individuals. They are, of course, academic researchers. We also see a lot of people from industry. They want to demonstrate their technologies. This year, for the first time, we actually have freelancers competing and won awards. I think people realize the importance of technologies, and many people want to be part of this process and join the community.
Yeah.
Shuai, do you want to add anything?
Yeah, we have many participants. Yeah. I think from our LPCVC website, we have 77 registered team and many innovative solutions. We also created a Slack channel so the participants can join and discuss with us. And right now we have more than 1,000 developers join our Slack channel.
Wow.
It's very amazing.
All right. Okay, should we move on to question number 4? This question is for Shuai.
Yes.
So you said we got a lot of participation, more than 1,000, right? So what feedback did you get from these participants?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, thanks for the question. Yes. We talk with many participants, either in person and also discuss with them online. In general, the feedback from participants is very positive because this year we designed a 2-step submission procedures. At first, they will submit their solution using our Qualcomm AI Hub website, so they can get real-time feedback when they compare the model on device. Previously, this step is very hard. Yeah. And this year, thanks for Qualcomm AI Hub website, a very convenient and also powerful platform to compile and debug their models using the edge devices. Yeah. The second part that as the LPCVC organizer, we also prepared a very good instruction document, and also we provide the source code of the baseline models. All of these are very important and helpful for the participants. And it's easier for them to get familiar with all the procedure following the instruction document. Also, they can keep optimize and improve the model performance on top of our baseline models.
Yeah, we want to say thanks to Qualcomm for providing a great AI hub platform, so the participation can be really smooth. So next question is also for Shuai. If you'd like to share some of your personal experience with LPCVC this year, what would you share? And also, I think if, for example, what would be the most surprising thing to you this year?
Yeah, thank you. At first, I want to thank Professor Lu, also my leader Ning, and Qualcomm to support this LPCVC challenge this year. I joined the LPCVC in 2018 and 2019 as participants. I also win some award in some tracks. Yeah. And this year, I returned as the organizer, also a sponsor. It's really amazing and a rewarding experience, especially to have this opportunity to collaborate with the professor and students from Purdue, Loyola University, Chicago, and also Lehigh University. Also, we have some team members from our Qualcomm, especially our Qualcomm computer vision team and AI Hub team. Yeah.
So what is the most satisfying thing for you?
Yeah, I think lots of great teamwork. Yeah, I think we have an awesome team for LPCVC. We have weekly sync up meeting and lots of online discussions. Also, we have students to help us to collect data, annotate the data. Also, need to prepare the instruction document and the source code. Yeah, it's a very lots of challenging work, but we are a very good and awesome team. All the passion and dedication of everyone actually motivate and encourage me to move forward.
Yeah, that sounds wonderful. I'm really excited about all the participation and the huge number of attendees this year. The last question, I think, is for Ning and maybe for Professor Lu as well. Did you come away from this year's competition? I know it's a very successful one, but what do you have in mind for any changes in LPCVC in 2026?
Maybe starting from Professor Lu?
I think for 2026, I want to discuss with industrial leaders, make sure we solve relevant, important, and difficult problems. One possible direction is to focus more on generative models. In the past 10 years, our challenges focused mostly on discriminative models. Except this year, we have a one track that are considered generative models. In the future years, I expect more challenges in the context of generative models. Also, in terms of hardware, we expect to see even more restrictions, even smaller devices, maybe wearable devices, something much smaller than your typical mobile phone, that will become the hardware platform to push the technology even further.
That's great. Thank you, Professor Lu. What about you, Ning?
Yeah, I think from Qualcomm's perspective, we are going to continue to be the sponsorship with Professor Lu and other universities. In general, the collaboration between academia and the industry is the essential part to move the technology forward, right? Especially at the era of AI, generative AI and agentic AI, a lot of new technologies has provided the opportunity to make a real use case, right? In mobile device, in IoT device, in XR device, and also automotive, AI PC. There are so many areas that Qualcomm is doing business, right, to build a chipset for, so that the direction of low power solutions in computer vision with AI-driven approach is the future. So we are going to continue to move forward in collaboration, and also we are encouraging the industry, the partners, other companies to join us to support these activities, to make it better and better, to build the great solutions and to achieve higher goals in the next 10 years.
Yes. Thank you, Ning. I mean, I'm really excited about LPCVC in 2026. But again, thank you so much, Professor Lu, Ning, and Shuai for the great interview. Thanks so much.